Hi, my name is Nandini. Today I'm excited to demonstrate a new tool called Estate Edge Manager. Estate Edge Manager is designed to solve common challenges faced by agents in the real estate business. Previously, agents had to rely on paper-based system to record data and handle bookings, which made difficult to manage their operations efficiently. This tool helps agents to track sales, capture customer information, manage ventures and plot details, and streamline their overall business workflow. With a estate edge manager, managing real estate operations becomes much easier and more organized. This application includes five key modules: sales module, customer module, venture module, plots module, inquiry module. I developed this tool using C Sharp, SQL Server, OOP concepts, ADO.NET. My role, I was responsible for understanding the requirements and developing all the modules of the application from scratch. I will show the output of the application. In that we have the user login. We have to give the credential to go to the main form. Then it shows like this. This is the main form, estate manager main form. In that we have five key modules: venture, plots, customer, sales, and inquiry. In that we have to add this, add venture. Then we given something. In this status, the venture is active or inactive. We have to check. We'll add like this. Then go to venture list. This is the record I given in the last one. I have to update like this. Then go and check. It is updated like we have to delete. There is no record. This is a venture one. This is plots list. Add plots. In this we have IDs like three. It will populate the venture name, plot phase, plot number. I will giving like three now. Plot status, open, closed, or pending, which is in the combo box. Plot size. I add on the plot size. It is showing like this. Three. We can 304 update as 305. Then we'll delete. Okay. This is the plots one. Customer also same. Have to given the details of the customer like customer name, mobile number, customer type. In that we have the new customer or golden customer. Then we show that the golden customer is already plot taken person. That will consider as a golden customer. We have to give email, city, state, address, all these. Then we will hmm, we will show like this. This is the customer list form. Sales list also. In this sales list, we can populate the names with mobile numbers. Then we will show like this. It will already populate like this. Allotted in the status of the sale, it is allotted, booked, or registered. We can consider allotted. show in this one. We can update as booked register order. See, this last one is can see this registered. We can delete also. It's not there in the record. Inquiry form also same. Add inquiry, name of the customer. Purpose of inquiry, plot purchase. This is in the combo box. In that we have investment, resale inquiry, joint venture, general information or others. How much time it will take? Within 1 month. Status interested to take. Add. See the venture list. You can delete also, update also. Delete also. This is the Estate Manager tracking system which I created.